This how-to video will help you navigate easily throughout the various dashboard pages so you get the most out of your experience.
First things first, let's navigate to the dashboard. Start by going to d57.org. Once you're on the page, head over to the navigation bar and select District. A drop-down menu will show you Strategic Plan 23-28. Click on that, and you're routed to the District 57 Strategic Dashboard.
Let's get started. If you scroll down, you will find a one-page summary of the strategic plan and helpful information about how to use the dashboard. Next, we have the Indicators tab, which acts as a data warehouse for our district. This data may include enrollment data, student attendance, and teacher retention as examples. Within each indicator, you will find a short description and the most recent data point. For a more detailed description, you can click the lowercase I in the circle in the upper right. To view the historic data related to the indicator, simply click View Data. This will bring you to a page where you can take a deeper dive into the most current information. Our last tab is the Strategy tab, where you can see the progress made towards specific goals. This section is a work in progress and will continue to grow in informational wealth over the next 5 years of our strategic plan implementation. Here, you will find each of our 4 goals listed out, as well as specific objectives for each of those goals. For example, Goal 1 is aimed at growing outstanding student experiences. To achieve this goal, we have designed 5 objectives. Each objective is equipped with a percentage progress meter, so you can quickly gather how we are doing in each area. To view the strategies attached to the specific objectives, click on the arrow to expand the section. To know more about the specific strategy, click Details. Here you will find a summary of the strategy's progress and any artifacts that show progress toward the goal. This layered approach to reporting on our progress is meant to bring you the meaningful information you want, tailored to your specific needs. In this example, you can click here for a further breakdown about this strategy. Here you can find specific steps taken within a strategy, the time frame the step is projected to be completed, and the progress to date. This dashboard will be updated throughout the next 5 years. It's our hope that this dashboard is a valuable and transparent tool to measure and communicate the district's progress. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to reach out. And thank you for your ongoing partnership.